going to be showing you how to make a very simple game which should be for all beginners that's very new to Python. Python is the easiest language to learn. If you're a beginner at programming, you should learn Python. It's the best one to do when you're a beginner. Okay, so today we're going to be making a game which you can draw in. You can draw anything you want, and also comment down below. Tell me what games I should do next. I'll try and figure them out, and I'll post it for you. And also, if you're having any problems while following this code, you have to go to pastebin.com. Then you have to paste your code in this little box right here. Then you have to put a title, and then once you've done that, send the link down in the description. Then I will fix it for you. Then I'll send you the link back. Okay, enough of that. So now we're not going to be using Pygame. I'm sure I'm going to be using Pygame once I get a little bit more familiar with it, because for me, Pygame is kind of new. I've used it a lot of times, but I don't really know the fully basics of it. So I'll tell you when my Pygame series is coming out. For now, we're going to be using the turtle module. So the first thing you have to do is write import turtle. So also guys, if you're having any trouble, like if it does something like this, and like when you write win equals turtle dot screen, and if this part screen is yellow, then you have to check your interpreters, test each one, and when it stops being yellow, then that's the right interpreter you have to use. Okay, so now you have to write win.bgcolor, right, black. You know what? This time I'm gonna mix it up a little. I'm gonna make it red. Yeah, that's good. Wait, no, brown. Red hurts my eyes because it's too bright whenever I put it on the computer. Okay, so brown should be good. Brown is kind of like a maroonish. It's not like the regular browns. And also, if you're on a Mac, this will work perfectly. Whether you're on Mac OS, Mac OS Catalina, Mac OS Mojave, Mac OS X, it will work perfectly as long as you have Python. Or you can use any platform. You can use Atom. You can use Ideally. You can use others. I don't know more of them, but you can use those. And yeah, you can use other Python platforms or IDEs. Okay, so enough of that. Now also on Windows and Linux, I'm not sure if it'll work, but I think it'll work. I don't know though. So next thing you have to do is write win.tracer0. If you're on Windows or Linux or any other computer, you don't have to do win.tracer equals 0. But if you're on a Mac, follow me. So if you don't need to write win.tracer0, you can just write win.mainLoop. Otherwise, if you have win.tracer, you have to write while true, oh wait, no brackets, colon, win.update. Okay, so now we need to make the width and height. So win.setup, you can do it in numbers, or you can write width equals or height equals. So width, I'm not sure, but I'm going to do 800. And for height equals 600. Okay, then there should be a screen. Oh, I forgot to add the brackets here. Okay, so now there should be a brown screen, or whichever color screen it is that you're using. wait for it. Okay, right here. And also, we need to make a title for it. This is a pretty nice color. Okay, so now, to add a title, win.title. Win.title. Okay, so now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it tutorial for drawing in Python. No, this is not good. I'm just gonna write drawing game by Ayaan. Okay, so now there should be a title once you run it. I know there's going to be a title, so I don't need to run it. But if you want to make sure and you don't believe me, then just run it. So now, once you have the window, you have to make the player. So player equals turtle dot turtle. And so guys, if this is a little bit glitchy, it's my computer. It's kind of glitchy today because every time I post a video and I screen record, it's always glitchy. So don't mind that. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. Player dot shape will be. You can make the shape whatever you want, but I'm gonna make it a triangle. Oh, and also, yeah, player dot shape triangle. Color, player dot color. You can make the color whatever you want, but I'm gonna make it blue. No, you have to put in quotation marks. Okay, there. So now there should be a blue triangle in the middle of the screen once it loads. Okay, there's a blue triangle. Okay, so now if you want, now we need to make it move. So for starters, if you want to make it move with your mouse, you don't have to make any functions. All you have to do is write this: win.listen. Then you have to write win.onscreen click player.goto player.goto with no brackets. Then once it loads, whenever you push anywhere on the brown screen or whatever color your screen is, it will go there, just like that. And there you go. You have a drawing thing where you can draw whatever you want. Okay, so now if you want to draw with the keys, you can stay tuned and see. Otherwise, if you're happy with this 21 lines of code, then you can keep it. Then you can just do like this. You can do whatever you want with it. You can play with it, change the colors, change the width and height, anything you want once you're done. Otherwise, if you want to stay tuned and use the keys to make it move, then you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay, so now if you want to make it move, you have to write def right brackets colon. Then you have to write x equals player dot x core. And then x minus equals 5, then player dot set x in brackets. Then you have to copy this for the left. Oh wait, my bad. For right, it's supposed to be plus equals. And then for left, you can keep it negative. And then you have to make up and down. Now up and down is a bit different. You have to use Y. So Y, 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 and then another Y. Oh, and also set Y dot. Then you have to do this for down. Oh, my bad. Up is supposed to be plus, and down, it'll be like that. Okay, so now for down, down, and then you have to make it negative. Then once you've done that, you have to copy this, 1, 2, 3, another time, and then you have to make this on, on, oh wait, no, you don't have to do this part. You have to write win dot on key press. If you're on Python 2, it's on key, otherwise on key press. Okay, so now you can start with right, then you have to do quotation marks, and also note here that there's no brackets here. If you put brackets there, it won't work. So on key press, right, comma, quotation marks, then capital R, then IGHT. Then you have to do that 3 more times, and then make it left, and then up, and down. Okay, then you have to make these the ones. Also, if you want to use WASD, then you have to do those. Otherwise, if you want to use the keys, you have to do it with a capital at the first one, at the first character of the letter. Oh wait, no, why did I do that? Okay, then for left, capital EFT. Then that should make, whenever you push the arrow keys, it'll make it move. And would you look at that? It moves. If you guys want to keep this, you can play around with this also. But if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, then stay tuned. There's just one last part. Okay, so if you're still here, there's just one easy step left. Player.tilt for right and up, it's 90. For down and left, it's negative 90. For up, there, and then for down, okay, then that'll make it tilt, and it will make more sense now, because now it won't be just moving in just one position, in just one shape of a triangle. You have different positions of the triangle, like different tilts of it. If you just keep it one tilt, then it won't make sense to you. It'll just be like that triangle going straight, and then you make it go left. It'll just stay like it's looking, like it'll make it look like it's still going straight. So it's good if you stayed here and did this. And that is it for today's video. And also, one last time, if you have any problems, you can go to pastebin.com and paste your link there and send me the link. And my Pygame series, I'm not sure when it will come out, but when I learn more of Pygame, I will notify you, and please, I'll tell you when my Pygame series is coming out if you're interested. And also, please comment down what game I should make next with the turtle module. And please subscribe, please like this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.